Gentlemen, here's the truth. Nobody tells you about turning 40. You can actually become more attractive than you were in your 20s, but only if you know these secrets that most men completely ignore. Listen, I get it. You hit 40, and suddenly you're looking in the mirror wondering where that young guy went. Maybe you've put on a few pounds, maybe the hairline's doing its own thing, or maybe you just feel like you've lost that edge you had in your 20s. The problem is, most guys over 40 are making the same critical mistakes that are aging them faster than Father Time himself. That ends today. The foundation, your face. Let's start with the most important real estate you own, your face. This is where most men over 40 are leaving massive opportunities on the table. First, your skincare routine. And no, splashing water on your face and calling it a day doesn't count. You need three things: a gentle cleanser, a moisturizer with SPF, and here's the game changer most men ignore: a retinol serum. Retinol is like a time machine for your skin. It reduces fine lines, evens out skin tone, and gives you that healthy glow that makes people ask if you've been on vacation. Start with a low concentration, 0.25%, and use it every other night. Your future self will thank you. The products that actually work. For cleansers, look for something with salicylic acid like CeraVe, foaming facial cleanser, or Neutrogena, ultra gentle daily cleanser. For moisturizer with SPF, Cetaphil, daily facial moisturizer SPF 15, or Olay Complete. All-day moisturizer are solid choices that won't break the bank. For retinol, start with Row C Retinol, Correction Deep Wrinkle Night Cream, or if you want to invest more, SkinCeuticals Retinol, 0.25. And here's a pro tip. Add a vitamin C serum in the morning, Mad Hippie, vitamin C serum or SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic if you're feeling fancy. Tools that make a difference. Get yourself a good facial cleansing brush, the Foreo Luna for men, or even a basic Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Face Wash and Scrub Duo. Use it 2 to 3 times a week to really deep clean those pores. A jade roller or gua sha tool might sound fancy, but they actually help with puffiness and circulation. 5 minutes in the morning while you're having your coffee and you'll look more awake and defined. Professional treatments worth considering. If you're serious about turning back the clock, here are the cutting-edge treatments that celebrities are using to maintain their leading man looks. PDO, thread lifts. This is the non-surgical facelift that's taking Hollywood by storm. Dissolvable threads are inserted under the skin to lift and tighten sagging areas. Think of it as scaffolding for your face. Celebrities love it because there's minimal downtime compared to surgery, but you get that lifted, defined jawline and cheek structure. Cool sculpting for the face. Yes, you can freeze fat off your face now. Cool mini targets that double chin that creeps up after 40, while newer applicators can slim the jawline. It's the same fat freezing technology, just precision targeted for facial contouring. Ultherapy. This uses focused ultrasound to lift and tighten skin without surgery. It's FDA approved for lifting the brow, chin, and neck. Celebrities use this to maintain that sharp jawline and lifted brow that photographs so well. Vampire facials, PRP, platelet-rich, plasma treatments use your own blood to stimulate collagen production. It sounds intense, but the results are incredible for skin texture and tone. Many male celebrities get these regularly to maintain that youthful glow. Sculptra. This isn't a filler, it's a collagen stimulator that gradually restores volume and structure to your face over several months. It's subtle, natural-looking, and lasts up to 2 years. Perfect for men who want improvement without looking done. These treatments require serious investment. We're talking $1,500 to $5,000 plus per session, but the results can be transformative. Always go to board-certified dermatologists or plastic surgeons who specialize in male aesthetics. Next, your eyebrows. I know, you're thinking eyebrows are for women. Wrong. Your eyebrows frame your entire face, and unruly brows make you look unkempt and older. Get them professionally shaped once, then maintain them with a good pair of tweezers. Remove the strays, trim the long ones, and suddenly you look 10 years younger. Now let's talk about facial hair. Whether you're clean-shaven, sporting a beard, or rocking a mustache, precision is everything. Invest in a quality trimmer. I'm talking about something with multiple guard lengths and sharp blades. Your facial hair should look intentional, not accidental. If you're going the beard route, here's a secret most men don't know. Beard oil isn't just for hipsters. It keeps your skin healthy underneath, prevents itching, and makes your beard look fuller and more refined. A few drops daily, worked through with your fingers, and you're golden. The under-eye situation. This is where age shows first. A good eye cream with caffeine can reduce puffiness. Try Kiehl's Eye Fuel or the ordinary caffeine solution. Apply it gently with your ring finger, which applies the least pressure. For dark circles, a color-correcting concealer might sound intimidating, but brands like War Paint for Men or Menaji make products specifically designed for guys. A tiny dab blended well can make you look like you got 8 hours of sleep, even when you didn't. The hair situation. Let's address the elephant in the room, your hair. Whether you're dealing with thinning, graying, or both, you have options that don't involve a comb-over or a baseball cap. If you're thinning, embrace it strategically. A shorter cut with some texture on top can actually make thinning hair look fuller. Ask your barber for a textured crop or a modern Caesar, and here's a pro tip. A little bit of matte hair paste can create the illusion of thickness. If you're graying, you've got two choices. Own it or change it. If you're going to color it, please, for the love of all that's holy, go to a professional. Nothing screams midlife crisis like an obvious box dye job. A good colorist can give you natural-looking results that take years off your appearance. If you're going bald, own it completely. A well-maintained bald head is infinitely more attractive than a bad comb-over. Keep it clean, moisturized, and always use sunscreen. And remember, confidence is your best accessory. The wardrobe revolution. Now let's talk about your clothes because this is where I see the biggest transformations. Most men over 40 are wearing clothes that are either too big, too young, or too boring. The fit is everything. I don't care if you're wearing a $50 shirt or a $500 shirt. If it doesn't fit properly, you'll look sloppy. Your clothes should follow your body's natural lines without being too tight or too loose. For shirts, the shoulder seam should hit right at your shoulder point. The sleeves should end at your wrist bone when your arms are at your sides. And please retire those baggy polos from 2005. Upgrade your basics. You need 5 things in your wardrobe that fit perfectly. A white dress shirt, a navy blazer, dark wash jeans, chinos in navy or khaki, and a quality white t-shirt. These are your building blocks. Color matters more than you think. As you age, certain colors become more flattering. Deep blues, rich grays, and classic whites will always work. Avoid anything too bright or trendy. You want to look sophisticated, not like you're trying to recapture your youth. Invest in quality shoes. Nothing ages a man faster than beat-up cheap shoes. You need 3 pairs: brown leather dress shoes, white leather sneakers, and dark boots. Keep them clean, polished, and in good repair. The grooming game changers. Here are the grooming secrets that separate the boys from the men. Your nose and ear hair. I'm sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but after 40, hair starts growing in places you never expected. Invest in a good nose hair trimmer and use it weekly. Nothing kills attraction faster than rogue nose hairs. Your nails. Keep them short, clean, and filed. If you bite your nails, stop. It's not attractive at any age, but especially not at 40 plus. Consider getting a professional manicure once a month. It's not feminine, it's good grooming, your scent. Cologne should be discovered, not announced. 1 spray on your chest, 1 on your wrist, and you're done. And please retire that Axe body spray from your college days. Your teeth. This is huge. Yellow, stained, or crooked teeth can age you dramatically. If you drink coffee or wine regularly, consider whitening treatments. And if you've been putting off that dental work, now's the time. The confidence factor. Here's what most style guides won't tell you. All the grooming and clothes in the world won't help if you don't carry yourself with confidence. Posture is everything. Stand tall, shoulders back, chin up. Good posture not only makes you look more attractive, it actually makes you feel more confident. It's a feedback loop that works in your favor. Eye contact. Look people in the eye when you speak to them. It shows confidence and creates connection. Practice this if it doesn't come naturally. Your handshake. Firm, brief, and confident. Not bone-crushing, not limp fish. Practice until it becomes second nature. The lifestyle upgrades. Attractiveness isn't just about how you look. It's about how you live. Stay active. You don't need to become a gym rat, but regular exercise keeps you looking and feeling younger. Find something you enjoy. Tennis, hiking, swimming, whatever gets you moving. Eat well, your skin, your energy, your overall appearance. It all reflects what you put in your body. You don't need to go on some extreme diet, just make better choices more often. Get enough sleep. Nothing ages you faster than chronic sleep deprivation. Aim for 7 to 8 hours, and your skin, your mood, and your overall attractiveness will improve dramatically. The mental game. Here's the secret sauce that ties everything together: your mindset. Stop thinking of yourself as over the hill. You're not past your prime. You're entering it. You have experience, wisdom, and resources your younger self could only dream of. Use them. Embrace your age. Don't try to dress like you're 25. Don't get a sports car to prove you're still young. Instead, be the best version of your 40-plus self. That's infinitely more attractive than a poor imitation of your younger self. Stay curious. Learn new things, try new experiences, meet new people. Nothing is more attractive than a man who's engaged with life and continues to grow. Take care of your mental health. If you're dealing with stress, anxiety, or depression, address it. Your mental health affects everything else: your appearance, your confidence, your relationships. The action plan. Here's your roadmap to becoming more attractive after 40. Week 1. Start a proper skincare routine and book appointments with a good barber and dentist. Week 2. Clean out your wardrobe. Donate anything that doesn't fit properly or makes you look older. Week 3. Invest in quality basics. Start with one perfect-fitting white shirt and dark jeans. Week 4. Focus on grooming details: nose, hair, nails, eyebrows. Month 2. Add exercise to your routine and improve your sleep habits. Month 3. Work on confidence. Practice good posture, eye contact, and put yourself in social situations. The truth about attraction. Here's what women actually find attractive in men over 40. Confidence, good grooming, a sense of style, emotional maturity, and the ability to take care of themselves and others. You don't need to look like a 25-year-old model. You need to look like the best version of yourself: healthy, well-groomed, well-dressed, and confident. The men who are most attractive after 40 aren't trying to turn back the clock. They're making the most of where they are right now. Your new reality, gentlemen. Your 40s aren't about decline. They're about refinement. You're not getting older, you're getting better. But only if you put in the work. The difference between men who become more attractive with age and those who don't isn't genetics or luck, it's intentionality. It's making the choice every day to invest in yourself, to pay attention to the details, and to carry yourself like the confident, capable man you are. You have everything you need to be more attractive at 40 than you were at 30. Better style sense, more resources, deeper confidence, and the wisdom to know what actually matters. The question isn't whether you can become more attractive after 40, it's whether you will. So what are you waiting for? Your most attractive years are ahead of you, not behind you. But they won't happen by accident, they happen by design. Start today. Your future self, and everyone who meets him, will be impressed by what you've become. If this video helped you see what's possible, hit that like button and subscribe for more content designed specifically for the distinguished gentleman. And drop a comment below. What's the first change you're going to make? Remember, gentlemen, age is just a number, but style is forever.